Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deshiet. My dear students of class 2, today I am going to take your English literature class. And our today's topic is Unit 11. We will read this unit and then we will do word meaning and synonym antonym from this unit. And the name of this unit is The Lion and the Mouse, and you all know about this story. And in your book, this story is given as a drama or play. Let's start. The Lion and the Mouse. In the first page, there is a warm up for you. There's a picture of the lion and the tiger, and you will find out the differences. There are some key points, and we will do it in our live class. Let's start. Scene 1. And now look, there is a picture of the lion, and you can take your book, page number 119. Now look in your book, there is the colorful picture, right? So this is very beautiful. So all of you take your buzzword book. Now scene number 1. A large lion is fast asleep under a tree near a river. A tiny mouse who is playing nearby jumps on the sleeping lion. The lion is very angry. So there was a lion who was sleeping in, but a tiny mouse was playing nearby and it jumped on the sleeping lion, and the lion became very angry. And there's the conversation between the lion and the mouse. Lion: you silly little creature, how dare you disturb me? The mouse is frightened and starts trembling. Mouse: oh, Mr. Lion, I did not mean to wake you up. I'm so sorry. Lion, growling, grrr, I'm going to squash you. Now the lion become very angry, and the lion wants to squash the little mouse. Mouse: please, please, Mr. Lion, forgive me. I will never ever do this again. Now Lion: well, I will let you go this time, but don't make this mistake again. Now the lion was very kind, and he let the mouse go this time. Mouse: thank you, Mr. Lion. You are so good and kind. You are strong too. Perhaps I can help you someday. Lion, laughing, ha ha ha. You silly little mouse, what can you do? Run away now and don't talk about things you can't do. So this is scene number 1. Now we will go to scene number 2. A few days later, some hunters have caught the lion. They have tied him up with a net and ropes. The lion roars in pain. The little mouse hears him. Now, some hunters came into this jungle and they captured the lion. Now the lion roars in pain and the little mouse hears him. Lion: ah, I'm hurt, I'm in pain, and the hunters will return tomorrow and put me in a cage. Mouse: don't move, Mr. Lion. My friends and I will bite these ropes and set you free. Now the little mouse came forward to help the lion. Lion: I don't think you can do that. You may break all your teeth, but you won't be able to make a hole big enough for me. Now the mouse saying, don't you worry, Mr. Lion. I'll run off and send a message to all my friends in the forest. Now the mouse make the lion assured that the mouse will set him free, because he will call his other he will call his other friends. Now we will go to scene number 3. The mouse soon returns with other mice. Mouse: now be good and don't move. We are small, but we are many. We will stop talking and start working. Now next page, 121. Other mice: we will bite the ropes around your head. Other mice: we will bite the ropes on your legs. Other mice: we will climb on you and bite the ropes on your great body. That means the mouse work in different teams. Soon the lion is free. He stands up and shakes himself. Lion: Thank you, my little friends. Now I know that even the tiniest creatures can help the big ones. Mouse, I'm so glad we could help you. Lion, quickly now, the hunters will be here soon. Let's all run away. Now, at the end of the drama, the lion realized that the tiniest creatures also help the big ones, and they soon ran away from this place because the hunters will be here very soon. Now we will learn 4 word meaning from this unit. Number 1, frightened means afraid. Frightened, afraid. Squash, crush something into a flat shape. Squash, crush something into a flat shape. Number 3, hunters, people who chase and kill wild animals. Number 3, hunters, people who chase and kill wild animals. Number 4, tiniest, smallest in size. Number 4, tiniest, smallest in size. And dear students, these 4 word meanings will be your homework. You will do homework 9. These 4 word meaning 1, 2, 3, 4. Frightened, squash, hunters, and tiniest. Now we will go to synonym and antonym. Number 1, kind. Synonym helpful, antonym unkind. Number 1, kind. Synonym helpful, antonym unkind. Number 2, free. Synonym independent, antonym confined. Number 2, free. Synonym independent, antonym confined. Number 3, strong. Synonym powerful, antonym weak. Number 3, strong. Synonym powerful, antonym weak. Number 4, start. Synonym begin, antonym finish. Number 4, start. Synonym begin, antonym finish. So there are 4 synonym and antonyms. So dear students, all of you will go through unit 11 at first, and then we will learn 4 word meaning, and you will do your homework number 9 as this your homework number 9 word meaning number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you will also learn synonym and antonym. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will study regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.